It's a beautiful way to add these arches to the end of your work surrounded by a border. On this video, I'm going to teach you how to do the open fans edging. I'm going to be using a 4mm hook and some acrylic yarn size 4. So for this design, you want to make sure that your work is a multiple of 10 plus 2. In my case, to give you a sample, I'm going to create a foundation chain that's that number. So I have 22 chains. But if you already have a job or like you're working on something, you want to make sure that that is a multiple of 10 plus 2. We're going to start with row 1. We're going to start with row 1. So for row 1, you want to do 1 single crochet into the second chain from the hook. So you skip the first one and into the second, a single crochet. Now we want to start the row repeat. You want to chain 3. Then you want to skip 3 chains and then do 1 single crochet into the next. So skip 1, 2, 3 into the next single crochet. And continuing the repeat, we chain 3. Skip 1 chain and then do 1 single crochet into the next. So we skip 1 and into the next 1 single crochet. Continuing the repeat, we chain 3, then skip 3 and then do 1 single crochet into the next. Skip 3, 1 single crochet. And that there ends the repeat. So I'm going to do it again with you. We're going to start the repeat by chaining 3. Then you want to skip 3 chains and then do 1 single crochet into the next. Then we chain 3, skip 1 chain, then do 1 single crochet into the next. Then we chain 3, skip 3, and then do 1 single crochet into the next. And that ends the row repeat. And in my case, I'm at the end of the row here. If you have more chains or stitches to go through, then you want to go back to the beginning of the repeat and do this until you're done. Now we can move on to row 2. We're going to chain 1 and flip our work. You want to do 1 single crochet into the first stitch. And now we're going to start the row repeat. It starts by chaining 1. Then you want to skip the next chain 3 arch. And then do a double crochet 2 together into the next chain 3 arch. So into this one here, we're doing a double crochet 2 together. So for that, we're going to yarn over, go around the chain, grab the yarn and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2, and stop. Then do that again, yarn over. Insert your hook into around the chain, grab the yarn and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and stop. And now you'll have 3 loops in your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. And that's our double crochet 2 together. Now into the same arch, we're going to work the following. We're going to chain 3 and do another double crochet 2 together into that same arch. I'm going to do this a little bit faster. If you need a more detailed explanation, you can go back to the first one to give it a look. That's my double crochet 2 together. And I want to do that repetition of chain 3, double crochet 2 together 3 more times. So chain 3 and into the same space, double crochet 2 together. Two more times, chain 3 and into the same space, double crochet 2 together. Basically at the end here, we want to have 5 of these groups of double crochet 2 together. So right now I have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then those chain 3s in between. When I'm done, I need 5 of those. So I'm doing my final double crochet 2 together over here. And now I want to So I finished my 4th repetition. So let me see here. Let's recap. I have double crochet 2 together, chain 3, 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 double crochet 2 together. After the last double crochet 2 together, which should be your 5th one, we're just going to chain 1, then skip the next chain 3 space, and then do 1 single crochet into the next single crochet. So skip these 3 and then 1 single crochet. And that there ends the repeat. So I'll go back to the beginning of the repeat and do it with you. We're going to chain 1, skip the next chain 3 space, and then into the next, we're going to work a double crochet 2 together. And now we're going to work a chain 3 and double crochet 2 together 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, double crochet 2 together. That is my first repetition there, and I want 3 more. So I'm going to do that off camera, and I'll see you when I'm done. Okay, I just finished my 4th repetition. So again, we should have 5 double crochet 2 together with chain 3s in between. After the 5th double crochet 2 together, we chain 1, and then we skip the next chain 3 arch and do 1 single crochet into the next single crochet, which will bring you right at the edge of the row. And now this here is the end of row 2. For row 3, we're going to start by chaining 7. This chain 7 counts as a treble crochet and a chain 3. And now we can flip our work. We are going to skip the next chain 3 arch and then do 1 single crochet into the next chain 3 arch. So this is the first one here. We're skipping that into the second, single crochet. Now we're going to chain 3 and do 1 single crochet into the next chain 3 arch, which is this one here. Now we chain 3, we skip the next chain 3 arch, and then do 1 treble crochet into the next single crochet. So for a treble crochet, we yarn over twice, go into the single crochet, grab the yarn and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 at a time. And that is our treble crochet there. And we've created this kind of border around the little fan from before. Continuing on, this is where we're actually going to start the row repeat. So the repeat starts by chaining 3. 1, 2, 3. Then we skip the next chain 3 arch, and into the next do a single crochet. Now we chain 3, and then do 1 single crochet into the next chain 3 arch. Now we chain 3. You skip the next chain 3 arch, which is the last one, and then you want to do a treble crochet into the next single crochet. In my case, this is the end of the row, but you might have to continue on. That's my treble crochet. So let me repeat the row for you. I'm just going to verbalize it. So the row repeat starts at a chain 3, skip the next chain 3 arch, and then 1 single crochet into the next chain 3 arch. Chain 3, 1 single crochet into the next chain 3 arch. Chain 3, skip the next chain 3 arch, and then 1 treble crochet into the next single crochet. That's going to give you these arches around the fans of the previous row. Then you can go ahead and cut off your yarn and thread your ends through. Okay, you guys, this one is so cool. It has those little fans and then these kind of like this kind of border around it that's supposed to be like kind of a rectangle around it, you know, with the treble crochet and then the chains and then the edge. So this is a sample size. I only really have 2, but if you grow yours to be bigger, then you'll notice that a little bit more evidently. And then you've got those cute little rainbows or arches or fans, whatever you want to call those at the bottom. Pretty cute.
Hey, while you're at it, why don't you just subscribe to my channel? Just do it. Just do it.